In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new client into Shape and then how to add budgets. It's a pretty simple process, but let's go ahead and get started. So to create a client, we're going to click at the very top of the page where it says create client. Simple enough. We're going to click that. Here we're going to add your tags of who you want to be notified if something happens with this account. So I'm going to put myself in here. I changed my currency to $ since I am in the US. And then we create the actual name for the account. So client has been created. And if you go down, you see where the client has been created. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to go ahead and create a budget for this account as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and get the information that I need from Google. So what we're going to do is we're going to click create budget. We're going to scroll down to the tilde campaign, and I'm going to update. So we will make sure that we have all the information that we have is accurate coming through from today. I'm going to click on the campaigns, and I'm going to choose this RP competitors. We're going to do next. This is a monthly budget, so we're going to put that in there. Always set alerts at 20 and 5%. So when we start to run low, check it if possible. And I don't put anyone here for the budget alert since I am the owner of this account and I'm tagged from the client perspective. There's really no sense in me setting up an alert here for each of the campaigns. We're going to click next. As far as automation goes, I always enable prevent overspending. So this way the campaign or Shape knows when Google campaigns are close to overspending. So they'll either pause the campaign, and once the month restarts, it'll enable it again back at 0. And then automated budget pacing, just make sure that we stay in line with our budget for each month, and really takes control over the platform from Google and really helps with the spend and helps with the budget and the best allotted spend. So depending on what day the spend happens or when the most engagement happens, Shape's going to allow your campaigns to actually spend and be in front of your ICP during the most opportune time. So we're going to go there. The name for this particular budget is RP competitors. We've seen that's what we did earlier. We hit create. Get a warning sign here to let us know. And we've already got our autopilot status and our cruise control on, so we'll click save here. Budget has been created. And there is the budget inside of our client list right here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.